a walk around on this 48 GMC truck. Patina Ratrod shop truck. Truck is sitting on a S10 frame, so power steering, power brakes. Rides down the road fantastic on stock suspension. Got an LS 5.3 LS motor in it, 4L60 transmission. Tranny was rebuilt when it was put together. Only about 75,000 miles on it. Drivetrain. Wood floor in the back. There's great patina on this truck. Nice custom touches. It's a different bumper. 20 by 10 Ridlers on the back. 18s on the front. It's a fantastic looking truck. A lot of pinstriping. It's left in its natural patina state. Interior's got some nice seats and door panels on it. You'll fire this up here. Nice sounding exhaust, duals, Flowmaster knockoff.